Winner of the 1994 All-American Daylily Selection Award, this is Hemerocallis Black-Eyed Stella, a very good, reliable variety that puts on a great show for a long period during the summertime. What's interesting about this variety is that it was hybridized in 1983 by Jack Robertson. He set out to do the almost impossible, set out to improve upon the most popular variety ever introduced, Stella de Oro. And he started making some crosses. In fact, he's said to have made 3,000 different crosses. And 6 years later, as he walked through his fields looking at the seedlings, he noticed that this one inherited all of the qualities of Stella de Oro. In other words, it's short, it's compact, it produces lots of flower buds, it flowers for a very long time with good rebloom, but also, as you see, it had this really very attractive ruffled flower with a lovely burgundy marking to the inside of the flower. And that was the reason that he selected this one, that then became known as Black-Eyed Stella. So there's a variety that has gone on to become the award winner in 1994. We've been growing it here at Overdevest for many years. During that time, we found it to be thoroughly reliable and flower for a very long time. In milder areas, it's been recorded to have flowered as much as 250 to 300 days out of the year. In our region here in the mid-Atlantic and northeastern states, you won't get that because we're slower to wake up in springtime and it gets colder earlier in the autumn. But certainly as soon as the weather conditions begin to improve in early summer, it will start to flower. And then, because it's a very good rebloomer, it will keep flowering right through to the frosts of the autumn time. So therefore, if you're looking for a variety that puts on a very good show with individually very attractive flowers that incidentally have a slight fragrance, that are very heat tolerant, and is a variety that inherits all the qualities of the most famous variety in the world, then this is one that you'll probably want to grow. This is Hemerocallis Black-Eyed Stella.